Well, this is my fire pit, my new modified gas one, because the previous one with smokeless fuels and endless burning logs just wasn't working, with ash blowing everywhere in the wind, and smokeless fuel being not so smokeless and smoking everybody out. So wife came up with this idea, turning it into a gas. So basically what I've done is modified an old barbecue. There's my gas bottle there. There's the front of the barbecue. As you can see, it's an old New York barbecue, 3-litre one. So basically what I've done, I don't know if you can see down there or not, and fed an old water pipe. Yes, it's a water pipe, the high pressure one, so it should do the job. Has done so far. And then fed it through down there, as you can see. Again, using plumber pipe, using a grommet, feeding it through here to there. But no back drafts as of yet. As you can see, it's clear pipe, so you'd see the flame running up there if it was, but it ain't. And it's doing the job. That's been running now for, I don't know, 35 minutes or so. And I've got another 2 pipes to feed through yet. So there you go. That's it. That's my gas fire pit. Obviously these two will sit next door to it. I've just got to figure out now a ignition source, so I don't have to keep lighting it with the lighter. So I'm going to get the clicker off the barbecue and wire it up to the central one, which then should ignite the other two. No problemo. And going to put some sort of basket over the top and then fill it with lava rocks, and should look pretty good. No ash, no smoke. Whoopie-doo.